Class 127 triac lamp dimmer or triac fan regulator. This is very simple experiment. Okay, so you can use this or this. Better use this figure. Don't write both the figures in examination. You will become like a fool. So this resistance should be 33K or at least 25K. Note that the series resistance with the pot should be between 25K and 33K. In the lab exam, we will supply 30K or 25K or 33K. In case you don't get this, you can connect 10K 3 resistances in series or 15K 2 resistances in parallel. However you can do, but don't worry, you will get 30 or 33K or 25K in examination. And taking reading, you know. And pot resistance, you kindly write kilo ohms or ohms, and then you can write here. Usually for bright you will get here ohms, so you can write here as ohms, and again you can write here kilo ohms. For dim you will get in kilo ohms. And then street light control. For street light control, I have put here as 9 volt, because in case you don't get power supply, you can use the battery also, DC battery, dry cell. But you can have here voltage from 8 to 14 volts. Note that op amp capacity is 15 volts. You should never cross 15 volts. So even if you write here 8 to 14 volts, don't cross 12 volt. Okay, so and if the bulb does not become on, then only you have to cross 10 volt. If bulb glows comfortably, then there is no point in increasing this voltage. Kindly do not increase this. And you connect here 1K resistance. If the bulb always glows, whether you block light here or put light on this, then you have to decrease this resistance. If the bulb does not glow, even if you block light, that is put handkerchief or book on LDR, then you have to decrease this resistance. All these things are written in the hints. Okay, so when you block the light and open the light, the output here should become almost 0 volt, means 1 or 2 volt, or this voltage. When you block the light, this should become high, means somewhere around 10 volt, depends upon this volt. And if you put light on this, this should become low. If it does not become like that, replace op amp. Okay, and this connection should be healthy.